Hey guys! Pumili ako ng mini washing machine or portable washing machine sa Shopee. And then nakakita ako ng isang mura and maganda naman yung rating sa One Home Appliance. Excited ako, napa-order ako kasi nga ang purpose ko for this portable washing machine ay para mabilis kong malabhan yung uniform ng baby ko. So, ayun nga, nag-order ako and after 5 days, dumating yung in-order kong portable mini washing machine from One Home Appliance. Napaka-excited kong buksan. Kaya lang, when I open, hindi talaga gumagana kahit ilang beses ko siyang itry. Kaya kinontak ko yung seller. And nag-reply naman sila agad. Ang sabi, papalitan na lang daw ng bago. In just 3 days, dumating yung bago kong mini portable washing machine. And I'm very excited kasi hindi na pinabayaran sa akin at pinabalik yung luma or yung sira. Thank you, One Home Appliance. And after I try in the office, gumagana siya. Very effective, very mabilis. Ang bait ng seller. In just 3 days, imagine, after my complaint, pinalitan agad nila ng bago. Kaya I'm very, very satisfied. Ginamit ko siya sa bahay agad at nilabhan ko yung uniform ng dalawang anak, ng baby ko, I mean. And only 2, 3, or 4 na damit kayang labhan ditong portable mini washing machine from One Home Appliance. Kaya guys, napaka-easy lang ng gabi ko ngayon. Even though ang dami kong labhahin for my baby's clothes, nalabhan ko siya lahat this evening. And take note, meron pa siyang spin dry. Kaya guys, if you want to buy, very affordable at One Home Appliance. Ipopost ko yung link if you want to buy. Thank you, One Home Appliance.